Senna will jump over that tube with that bike. Yes, he's a professional biker, so it wouldn't be a problem.
A professional mini bike.
The first test jump, Senna.
Nee, nee.
Are you gonna go for it immediately?
Wacht gewoon met filmen.
Wait, why?
Because I tell you to do so.
Oh.
That's definitely.
Yes.
I'm a pack opener, you're the jumper.
Yes, he's a pack opener.
You're the jumper. The ginger jump.
En die was weer te traag, hè.
Too slow, eh? Too slow.
Wow.
Go, Senna. I will have to do it once for you.
How to do it, eh? So you ride and you jump. or you do it like this, wait. Oh shit. Dat was een foutje, hè?
Second foutje.
Yes,
Yes, yes.
It's very hard with this bike. Yes.
That's take over because Senna is taking too long to do it. Go, Henry. Yeah, you can still do a bunny hop, eh? Nah, niet dat doen.
Will it be enough?
Yeah, will it be enough? You said it would be easy, we'll see.
The Belgian
These
bullets.
tires are wobbly.
The Belgian bullet. Go, Henry. Oh, no, eh? I thought it was easy.
I jumped it.
Yes, but you landed on it, eh? You have to go over the tube, eh?
Now we will see Henry jump over the fence.
Yeah, yes, with the mini bike. Go, Henry. Yeah,
That was
that's how you do it, Henry.
very good.
Very good job,
This
eh?
will be my inspiration.
Yeah, fist. Give me a fist, Henry.
Hola, this thing.
Yes. So Senna is trying it again. Now he has some inspiration from Henry.
Our mentor.
Yes. It was better, yes.
So close, but yet
Yes,
so far.
it was better, yes. No, that not, eh?
He's trying. He's
Yeah,
trying.
yeah, he's doing his best to do it. Go, Senna. Almost. Almost, yes.
But yet so far. Yes, yes.
Yes, almost.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
We'll do it from here. Eh?
That we'll see, eh?
Push, Senna, push.
Push your limits.
Almost, yes.
You're jumping too soon.
Take a good
Run up
run up, yes.
or a bike up.
Fast, fast.
Faster, young man.
Almost. The bike was over it. Yes.
Yeah, it was. It certainly was.
The bike has made it. Yes.
Now the biker.
You need to concentrate. Eh? This is not funny business. Eh?
Yes, we will see, we'll see.
God damn it, stupid bike.
Do it for the ladies.
Yeah.
Do it for the vibe.
Do it for all your fans.
All
I don't
12
think
of
I
them.
will have any after this.
Do it for all the gingers in the world.
Do it for the unpaid gingers in the world.
Oh, there, closer. No,
I don't like this. Eh?
no, you don't like this. You're taking a break.
Take 57.
So here we go again.
Take 57.
Back at it again with the mini bike and Senna. Almost, almost.
Not yet so far.
Send it! Oh no, yeah. It's not how it's done.
It's positioned wrong.
Don't let that get the pressure in your head, Senna. You have to be the trick, think you are the trick. Concentrate very hard, yes.
Do it for the unpaid gingers in the world.
Do it for all the gingers that believe in you.
The unpaid ones.
Don't know what he's saying, but do it just for all the gingers that believe in you and they support
I
you.
don't see them,
Yeah. You can feel them in yourself,
Ik zie de hele weer eigenlijk. Niet erin zetten.
Almost.
This will be
Very
10
long.
minutes
Very long day.
ending.
Almost there, you were over it, but you let it so on the side, you know.
Edge.
Oh yeah, the same. A little bit more speed, a little bit more. The bike. Huh?
Of er weer op zeker?
Nee, de bike was over, hè.
Ah, dat is al
Just not a biker.
No. Make your dreams come true, Just do it.
Just do it!
Almost.
For you.
Do it! No, that was not the one.
Come back in 20 years and see if he does it.
Almost. But you have to take more speed, that will do it. Yeah, almost. Yes! Senna has done it! Woohoo! Give me a
First time.
Yes, very well. He has done it with a big bike.
Ah.
Woo! Much stoke, yes.
Now I become a professional BMXer.
Yes, we see
My destiny.
Yes, we see. We have now seen Senna conquer the pipe over there, yes. So that was it for the video, guys. See you later.